Ice Spice. She was once hailed as the princess of New York's drill scene, captivating millions with her catchy hooks and unique style. But just as fast as Ice Spice rose to the top, whispers of her downfall began to circulate. How did the girl with the orange curls and viral hits find herself facing such intense criticism? This is the story of Ice Spice's rise and fall. To understand Ice Spice's downfall, we first need to revisit her meteoric rise. Born and raised in the Bronx, Ice Spice's journey into music started in college, where she initially went viral on TikTok in 2022. Her infectious sound and bold fashion sense made her an instant sensation, with hits like Munch, Feelin' You, and Bikini Bottom. She became a face of New York's emerging drill scene. Her tracks weren't just songs, they were anthems for Gen Z, and her carefree, unapologetic attitude resonated with young fans everywhere. But for every new star, the brighter the shine, the harsher the spotlight. Ice Spice's rise to fame wasn't without challenges. As her popularity grew, so did the criticisms. Some argued that her music lacked depth, calling her tracks repetitive. Others questioned if she was just a product of viral culture.
Ice Spice has a personality. I think Ice Spice is playing an image.
I just can't get over the bar. He called me poopy like I need a diaper.
I feel like Ice Spice lacks the capacity and the ability to make a good record. It reads more like a lack of effort than anything.
I think that she need to leave Cardi alone. Ice Spice, especially after listening to this album, she shouldn't be thinking about, she shouldn't say nothing to start with a C.
A fleeting moment in the fast-paced world of TikTok trends. While Ice Spice's unique persona initially worked in her favor, the very things that made her popular soon became points of critique. Many people felt that her flow was too simplistic and that her success was more about aesthetics than talent. Some started to wonder, was Ice Spice destined for longevity, or was she just another viral artist whose time would run out? Then came the industry backlash. As Ice Spice started landing more features and collaborations with bigger names, from Nicki Minaj to Lil J, the accusations of overexposure came flooding in. The once unique style of Ice Spice was now everywhere. Commercials, music videos, social media, and beyond. It wasn't long before fans and critics alike began to grow tired of the constant Ice Spice appearances. The once beloved It Girl was now seen as overhyped. The pressure of being in the public eye 24/7 started to take its toll. What was once praised as unique now seemed like it was being forcefully marketed. But overexposure wasn't the only issue. As Ice Spice continued to release new music, many fans felt that her sound wasn't evolving. Despite trying to break free from her viral hits, many listeners felt she was stuck in a creative rut. Fans expected growth, but instead, Ice Spice's music started to blend together. Each track felt like a repeat of the last, with no major breakthroughs or experimentation. The once lively Bronx rapper now faced a crossroads: evolve her sound, or risk losing the very fan base that had once supported her. As if the professional challenges weren't enough, Ice Spice's personal life became fodder for gossip. Social media pressure mounted as she faced relentless trolling, criticism for her appearance, and rumors about her personal relationships. Social media can make or break a career, and in Ice Spice's case, the constant negativity began to overshadow her music. The young rapper found herself at the center of viral feuds and became more known for internet drama than for her music. The noise around her personal life began to distract from what truly mattered: her art. So where does Ice Spice go from here? Every artist faces challenges, but true icons find ways to evolve and grow. Will Ice Spice redefine herself and reclaim her crown, or has the industry moved on to the next big thing? Only time will tell. Despite the setbacks, Ice Spice still has a loyal fan base who believe in her talent. The question is, will she rise above the criticism and prove her doubters wrong, or will the fame that came so fast ultimately lead to her downfall? What do you think? Is Ice Spice's downfall inevitable, or can she bounce back stronger than ever? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the rise and fall of today's biggest stars.